Good morning. It is T-minus 1 day until we leave for vacation, and I am getting all the girls packed today. So I'm going to show you what I have for my 1-year-old, what I have for my 3-year-old. Everything is just kind of like thrown everywhere. So the first thing I need to do is just kind of organize it all and see what I have out, see what I am missing. I'm going to go ahead and make a packing list. We'll add to the packing list I have already created throughout the week, and then I'll show you guys what I got from Target yesterday for the trip, and then tonight I still have to run to the grocery store and get some more snacks. But let's go ahead and get this packing started. Easier when we're out and about to do pouches. What I have found is if I feed the girls before we go to lunch or dinner, I feed them a little bit, then they're not as fussy once we're there, because if the food's taking too long. So here's what I got for Indy. I got her a bunch of meat pouches, all of these, and then Leia also loves these Plum Organics for breakfast or for a snack. I got these as well. I thought these would be perfect for in the room. Again, if we're like running late to head to lunch or something like that and they're hungry, you can just warm them up. All you need is water and a microwave, and then more snacks. Indy is fully on milk right now, but if you're out and about and you don't have a way of keeping the milk cold, if we're like on all day, it's nice to have formula in the bag available. So this is the formula she uses. Everyone got travel toothbrushes. Leia got her new frozen one. Indy got these cute little toddler size ones. Target has the cutest shorts right now. Oh my gosh, I'm like so in love at how cute are these. So these are for Leia. And then they also have the cutest little bike shorts. I shop a lot at H&M for the girls, and every once in a while I'll also get some stuff from Target. And I've noticed like the jean stuff lasts pretty good. Sometimes like this cloth material doesn't stay as nice, but I've kind of found what works and what doesn't. And then here are some shorts for Indy. How cute are those? And then Mike and I in the mornings will just eat in the hotel room, and I love just having oatmeal. And I'm also gonna make like some egg bites, and then a few times we'll probably go down and order from the hotel restaurant for breakfast. But sometimes it's nice to just be able to have it in your room and maybe sit outside and look at the ocean. So here is what I got from Target. I have some of Indy's clothes laid out so far. Layers are just in a pile for right now. I have to go through. We have some laundry to fold. We have some stuff I got from Marshalls. So I'll show you what I got from there for myself, and a bunch of laundry to fold.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be.
I got this outfit for Indy from Marshalls. How stinking cute is that? It's so adorable. So here's some of the things I found at Marshalls for myself. So these are like a linen short. They're so comfortable. And then here's another pair. I haven't even tried these on, so hopefully they'll work. I thought they'd be really cute with this shirt with a little tank top underneath. And then I found these little jean shorts. And then you can't go to the store, at least I can't go to the store without bringing home a crew neck. They're like one of my favorite things ever. So those are the fun, cute little things I picked up at Marshalls, and then I'm just going to find what I have in my closet and mix and match.
Gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money. We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart.
4 pairs of pajamas so far for the girls, and we're going to be gone 4 nights, but I'd like to have a couple extra pairs just in case. I'm going to do 2 extra. So for Leia, I'm going to grab her 2 extra, which is right here. Put that right there. We have here and here. And then they do nighttime diapers at night, so I'm going to do the same 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
The sky is blue, I got the sun in my eyes. It can't get better than when she makes that smile. Yeah, she's got that style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She's turning up the volume on the radio. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. I'm gonna make it worth your while. she's got a ticket to my heart.
These packing cubes are life, as you saw before. So what I do is I categorize for each kid, and it just makes it easier once you get to the hotel. So this is Leia's pajamas and nighttime diapers. So anything that has to do with nighttime is in that cube. And then this one is Indy's nighttime diapers and pajamas. And then this cube is all Indy's to-go outfits. So we're gonna be gone 5 days and 4 nights. But for Indy, since she's 1, I feel like we usually at least change her outfit once a day. So she needs at least 2 outfits a day plus a couple extras just in case. And they're small, so it's okay. So I packed them like this. I'm not sure exactly the temperature, if it's gonna be hot enough for shorts or cool. So I just packed a little bit of each. These on this side is like a mix of like leggings and shorts and summer outfits and some overalls, extra socks, leggings, t-shirts, shorts, and then I have a sweatshirt here. I'll put another extra little sweatshirt in her diaper bag. Leia's packing cube is complete, and I did the same thing for her. I did 8, maybe 10-ish outfits just in case we need to change or anything like that. She has plenty, and she has a mix of shorts, leggings, pants, things like that. I almost forgot to grab socks and bows, and Leia would not be happy if I forgot her bows because she loves wearing her little bows. So we're gonna add that to the end of this packing cube. Blankets for Leia and Indy, and then we also are bringing our pack and play. They may or may not have a pack and play at the hotel. I'm just bringing it just in case. So I have the pack and play mattress protector, a couple extra sheets, and then you can't go anywhere without Violet. Leia's had this since she was like really little, and she sings nighttime music, all kinds of different music, but she even says her name. This little thing is so cute. So we will definitely bring Violet. I'll probably have to take her out of the suitcase for Leia to go to sleep tonight, but I have her just so I don't forget her. I did also find these. I have no idea how good they are, but I have 2 of them, so we're just gonna bring them. It says it holds 30 diapers. It at least will keep the gross diapers out of the trash in the hotel room, so I'm gonna add those to the bag as well. Here's what I have so far for their pool bag. So I realized that I only have 1 swimsuit for Indy because I wasn't even thinking last year is obviously not gonna fit her because it's only 6 to 9 month size, but I did happen to pick this one up from Target, which I think is adorable. We need to have plenty of swim diapers. I have more of those. I have those out for both of them. Leia has such cute swimsuits from last year. I'm assuming they're probably still gonna work okay. I'll have to try them on. She has a towel. They'll have towels at the hotel, but just in case, if we do end up going and sitting on the beach a little bit, we have this amazing blanket that's from Amazon. I love it. It's awesome. Sunscreen in case we need it, an extra beach towel, beach toys, and then Leia's life jacket. I cannot find Indy's life jacket. I do have this floaty for her, so I'm gonna keep looking for that. I have beach hats for both of them. I'm gonna fit some of this possibly in this beach bag, or I might actually put it in an extra diaper bag I have.
Tonight is all for you and me, so baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me.
Pool cube, and I have a total mom fail because for some reason I don't know why I thought that Leia had the right size swimsuits from last year, but we'll see how it works. She has a 2T and a 3T, which 3T will be fine, but I might have to stop at Target and grab her one more. I like to have like 2 swimsuits per kid. I also just put in these little floaties in case we decide to use that style, and then I almost forgot to put in their sun hats. Again, it might not even be warm enough to be out there, but if it's like in the 70s, we'll sit out on the beach and let them play in the sand. We'll see what Indy thinks. Leia had a blast last year, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here. And now, the beach/pool cube is complete. The girls' bags are almost done, pretty much. I am just gonna go ahead and pull out my list, my packing list, and go over it and see what I might be forgetting, and also I'll need to add to my shopping list to see what I need to grab on the way there. And then I just get to pack my bag and my toiletries. So pretty much halfway done with what we need to do.
It's been for me. On you spin. Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. It's been for me. On you. Don't be afraid. Just let go of your fears. 'Cause you know you can do it, baby. Dance that away. Now you know how it feels. Now you know you can do it, baby. Spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. On you spin. Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. On you.
Now to see if I can close it. This will be make or break. All right, it is all ready to go. It is heavy, but it is packed. Here's what I have laid out for myself so far. So I got pajamas, shorts, and then this is gonna be a very casual trip. So lots of graphic tees and jean shorts, and I have to get my sandals and shoes out, but just putting some outfits together. I might not get done filming what's in my bag, although I wanted this video to more focused on the toddler bed. So the kids, I totally meant to get more packing cubes, but I forgot. So I am just packing. I'm finishing up packing this morning, but I had to show you a few little things I picked up at Target last night. I got Leia a matching swimsuit to Indy's, and then I found this adorable swimsuit for Indy. Leia can't really get her eyes in the water right now, so these I thought would look perfect because they look like sunglasses, and I think that she'll keep them on because she loves to keep her glasses on. And of course we needed baby sunscreen. And then one thing I wanted to do for the room to keep it easy is just to bring our breakfast bowl so we can make them oatmeal with the lid in case they don't finish it all. Extra bib, but pretty much we are almost ready to go. I need to pack up all of these snacks and find a container for those. Looks like Leia has started to get into some of the bags, so I just need to straighten everything out, but the sun is really bright. Yeah, I just have to double check my list and make sure we have everything now that Leia's kind of, gotten into everything, looks like. I made our carry-on bag into the snack bag for the kids. So it has all the pouches, oatmeal for the week for them, Chex Mix for Mike, popcorn for us, mac and cheese for the girls to go, extra formula for the baby, and I have more fruit and snacks downstairs and veggies, and I did yogurt in the cooler. Girls are waking up from their naps, so today's video I wanted to focus more on what I was packing for the toddlers and for the kids. I just showed you a little bit about what was in my bag, but I might not get to what is actually in my bag, so we'll just make this about the toddlers because that is mom life, mom of 2 under 2. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up some of my bag as much as I can before I get them dinner and get them ready for the bed, and then I might do and finish probably going out and getting more snacks that we need and stuff like that late night. So I may or may not film, we'll see. This might be the end of the video, and if it is, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you found it helpful. If you're getting ready to go on a trip, I can't wait to hear about where you're going, so comment below what you're most excited for the summer, if you're going on family vacation, and if you have a packing tip. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you want to see more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching. And like I said, I may or may not have more in this video, or this might be what you see before you see the next one, which is going to be the vlog on vacation with us. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.